have to bring this up, yeah, and yeah, let's just trim it there. Cool. Now you can see something. I want you to see something here. While we have these angles straight line, these angles are just closed at this point. It's because the recess, the distance of the recess at both edges are equal. That's why we're able to get these angles closing up at this point, because you can see here, where that one they use now as a case study. Over here you can see this recess is smaller compared to this one, so you can get it closing like that. So that's why we did not close here, but this point and this point, you see this point, if you extend it, it's not going to be equal to this. This is higher than this, that's why it doesn't close. But here it closed, so we're done with this point. I think we wouldn't be needing this, so we'll remove that, and we'll remove this also. Okay, cool. I'm trying to get somewhere. You can still see that the roof is already taking shape. The roof is already taking shape. So now let's follow the rules again. We're supposed to get a straight line here. Auto is on. Just make sure it's on. Alright. This is becoming to sound look interesting. This is interesting. Alright, let's just extend this first and see what happens. Okay, and we'll have to trim this over here. And what's the rule again? We have an angle coming here. We have a straight line. We should take an angle negative. No, that is going to be wrong for us to do that at this point. If we take an angle negative, then we come in having a roof over this point. So what we should do is to extend this, yeah, and let's trim this and see what happens. Okay. Yeah, this is where you need to look critically. And try to think, and you'll be able to see where the error is coming from. Alright, let's follow it through. We have a line, follow it up with a straight line. We have a line, a angle and a straight line, follow it up with an angle countering the one that met the straight line. Alright, here they met with a straight line. Alright, here they met with a straight line. Here an angle. Okay, alright, straight line and angle. Okay, alright. So what we'll do now is okay. Let's try and chamfer this. Let's see, and then we'll follow the rules. Okay. Now you have a straight line and an angle. So what we do is we take a negative angle to this. This is a straight line and an angle. Take a negative angle to this. This is a negative angle. Take this. Put it here. Okay, now I'm trying to look at this and see where I'm missing it. Because if we have these 2 points here, this is an angle, and an angle right here. This is a straight line. This one is correct. Remember that. So where could this error be coming from? Let me just check. Oh, I've seen that. this would have caused the entire work to be bad, just because this angle did not align. So I would like to say this here, that at any time you are doing your work on AutoCAD, you should make sure you zoom in so that you can see clearly. At the time we were putting those angles with the construction lines, we didn't zoom too much inside, and that was why we're getting the edges not straight. Let me just take this few time to go through the rest and make sure everything is cool. Now we have to chamfer this boot. You can chamfer this boot. Now they're not going to meet here anymore. They'll meet at this point. We have to move this straight line down. Alright. Okay, we have to trim this. You can see it has already taken shape. And this is what the roof is going to look like when you are done with it. Check all the points and don't forget the rules. When two angles meet, you continue with a straight line. When an angle and a straight line meets, you take another angle opposite to the angle that made the straight line. Those two rules should be kept. They are what will guide you whenever you are making your designs. Alright, thank you very much for looking at this. Our next video, I will show you how you arch your roof and how you change the color of it and all that. Thank you very much. Please subscribe.